Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir. I don't know if you guys remember this client here. If you have not watched her 1 month update, go back and watch it so you can understand what this video is talking about. But I'm just pretty much updating you guys on her hair, giving you a general update on how her hair is doing, how it's budding, just some general information on how her hair is going. And someone asked me last time about clip placement, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that as well. So this is her hair a month after our last appointment. She comes once a month, and this is pretty much the results from the last retwist and her taking care of it at home, moisturizing it, styling it, because she works in a corporate setting. Once again, we don't use gel. She prefers not to use gel, so we don't use gel. But this is her hair, wet. I'm preparing it for a wash. And to compare that to her hair when we were doing her first wash when she was 1 month in, and you can see they were still looking like coils a little bit, but in this wash, her 3rd month, they're starting to find their way. They're starting to gather and collect. She washes at every appointment, which is once a month. I usually do 2 washes, but if someone has a hyperactive scalp or the hair is just dirty, I do 3 washes. This is the 3rd wash right here, as you can tell by all the lather. And her hair has been washed 3 times, and this is her 3rd month. So her hair has held up very well in all the washes, and this is the result of that wash. At her 1 month update, and you can see it started budding right there. And this is at her 3 month, and you can see how many areas in that lock and her locks have started budding. And as for clip placement, I place my clips, when it comes to starter locks, I place it closer to the end. It doesn't really matter where you place it because you're trying to preserve that twist or that coil. If you start coils and pin them down, I like to pin my coils down. But when it comes to retwisting, when the hair starts to bud and you start having new growth separated from the lock itself that's trying to form an actual lock, the hair itself that's trying to form an actual lock, I like to put my pins right where that new growth meets the area that's trying to lock. I don't put it on the actual shaft of that section. I put it right where it meets the new growth because I don't want to put any dents in her hair. I want the hair to do what it's going to do. I'm just here to maintain the roots. And another throwback, this was her hair at her very first retwist. Again, you guys can go watch that video. Her very first retwist, you can see the hair started budding. However, it still looked a bit coily. It hasn't really gathered that much hair yet. Of course, it's 1 month, so it didn't have much time to do all of that. And now we can compare that to 3 months, and you can see how much thicker the body and the shaft is starting to be. You can see how much volume her hair is really gonna have when her locks are mature. Alright guys, that is it for this video. That's it for her update. I hope you guys enjoyed. And we also did a simple style at the end, and all this was I just took sections of hair, sections of locks, sections of locks, and I just did a really loose braid and pinned it up for her because, once again, she comes once a month and she's in corporate America. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye guys.